Hello everyone, in today's video I have a new recipe for you and I will be showing you how to make moonshine chicken. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you the ingredients that you're going to need to fix this recipe. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. 2 chicken breasts, 6 tablespoons of apple pie moonshine, 6 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, or you can cut that up into little tiny dice, juice from 1 lime, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic minced, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. My first step that I'm going to do is prepare my chicken breast. Now I have 2 chicken breasts here. I'm going to trim off the excess fat and get rid of that. And then I'm going to use my handy little meat hammer here. And I'm going to place each chicken breast into a Ziploc bag. And I'm just going to pound that out into thinner fillets. And once I get that step completed, then I'm going to slice the chicken breast into tenderloins. So I have my chicken breast prepared and I'm ready for my next step. Now for my next step, I'm just going to be putting together ingredients in a bowl to make our marinade to allow these chicken strips to marinate in. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So the first thing I'm going to add is my lime juice, my soy sauce, my minced ginger, my minced garlic, my black pepper, the apple pie moonshine. I'm just going to give that a quick little whisk, and then I'm going to add my brown sugar. I'm just going to whisk that together real well until it's well combined. Now that I have my marinade all mixed and ready to go, now I'm ready for my next step. I have a large gallon Ziploc bag, and all I'm going to simply do is add the chicken breast strips to this bag, pour that marinade in over top of that, mix it up really well, squeeze out the excess air, and zip up my Ziploc bag. And you need to allow this to marinate anywhere from 1.5 to 2 hours. I have my marinade in with the chicken breast in my Ziploc bag. I've squeezed out the excess air. So now I'm going to place this in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate, and I'll be back soon and we'll take this to the stove and start frying it up. I've allowed my chicken to marinate, and for my next step we're going to take it over to the stove. I have my skillet on the stove heating up. I have the burner set to about a medium heat, and I'm going to allow this skillet to get good and hot. Once it gets hot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil to my skillet. And I'm going to add the entire contents of this Ziploc bag of the chicken and marinade into this skillet. And I'm just going to fry that until it's completely fried through and cooked through. My chicken is completely cooked through, so right now I'm just going to remove the chicken into another dish, and then I'm going to thicken up the sauce with a little cornstarch that's left in the skillet. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit of cornstarch in it. It will take anywhere from a tablespoon of cornstarch or 2. So I'm just going to add a little bit of cornstarch at a time until this thickens up into a thicker consistency. So that's about a tablespoon right there. And it won't take it long at all to thicken up. Okay, now I'm going to add the second tablespoon. Okay, and it's already thick enough. So now I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to spoon this sauce over top of the chicken. Here is my moonshine chicken after it's been cooked and plated up. So now I'm just going to put me a little bite over into a plate and taste it. This is a new recipe to me. I've tried it once before, maybe twice, and I love it. So this is going to be a regular in my home. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. And you can see how easy that chicken cuts in two. It's very tender. And it's delicious. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope you enjoy it. And until next time, guys, bye.